struggling.
Huh?
If you take it too long, it's expanding on you.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Today is Monday and yeah, I'm talking to my friends. I can see somebody in here. Who is it? Who is it? Good morning, Dimples. Good morning, Dim. Good morning, baby.
Gone.
What are you doing?
I'm in CVS. How what are you doing?
I'm going to drive somewhere. Hi guys. Let's go. Alam nyo ba, na ano ako nasasad kasi dami hindi makapunta dito. Nasasad dahil hindi makapunta yung asawa ko dito. Hold on guys ha. Nalulungkot kasi hindi makapunta dito si Tamimoy. May trabaho siya, may ina-accept siyang trabaho bukas. Nakaka-works. Kapag ako ay nagmahal, ang lahat ng ito anuhin ko muna tong garbage namin kasi andito yung garbage. Pagnawa grabe yung ginawa. So let's go. Ay okay pa naman tong gas ko, so yan, half tank na siya. So let's go. Oh my god. Anyway guys, I'll see you later. Sobrang windy guys, as in yung hangin. Grabe. Patgin natin muna yan. Anyway, so ang nangyari guys is, okay, hold on, let me put the back. Tommy is supposedly be here, diba? Sabi pa niya, kahit may trabaho siya bukas, punta daw siya dito mamaya. So that means late na siya makapunta dito. And then babalik daw siya pagka mamaya daw, pagkatapos ng ilang oras, 2 oras lang siya dito. Sabi ko, wag na kalas-kalas lang sa timing, mingaw lang na sa mood. Sabi ko, namimingaw sana, mamimiss kita lalo, ganyan. Pumunta ka, bumalik ka dito. Hala, ang deer namatay, kawawa naman itong si deer. Namatay, hala, Jesus, so yun ang nangyari. So hindi na lang siya dito pumunta. Iwan ko, basta sabi ko sa kanya, wag ka nang pumunta dito kasi ano lang sa time na ako guys, na napapagid sa nasa bahay lang palagi. So drive tayo doon sa tindahan. Sana marami silang mga Christmas decor. I know naman na marami silang Christmas decor, kaso lang parang namamahalan ako sa mga decor nila. Tignan natin ulit. Yun, good timing. Walang sasakyan. Good timing yung pagtuyok natin dun. Guys, alam nyo guys, kanina nag-try akong mag-record. Meron ng kanta. Meron akong nakikita mga paskong kanta. Yung mga pamaskong kanta ba? Nakakamiss, naku Lord. Sabang kumakanta ako, kung sa Bisaya pa, ni TV ang akong wait. Kung Bisaya pa. Kasi nakakaiyak kasi, diba, yung Pasko. Padala na naman tayo sa Pilipinas, guys, dahil Pasko. Pero yung padala ko ngayon is late siya. So yun, late yung padala natin. Kasi nagdepende tayo sa YouTube sweldo, di ba? Maganda ito pang gift, guys, I like this. Maganda to pang gift. Ilan ba ito? Walang presyo. Maganda to. Meron din dun, Gusto ko rin yun, guys, kaso hindi ko maabot. Ito, din yan sila dito. Kunin ko to. Look. Tingnan nyo guys. Hala, ilobat pala ako Maganda yung mga bag nila guys. Mura lang din sila. Yan, mura lang. Kaso lubat na ako eh. Ito yung kinuha ko. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo guys mamaya kung ano yung binili ko. Ano to? Oh. Ganda. Mamaya na lang guys kasi lubat ako. Hi guys, lubat ko guys. And katatapos ko lang, kakaalis ko lang sa store. Alis ako guys. Gusto ko nang magwiwi talaga. Gusto ko nang mag-ihi. Kaso, kaloka. Anyway. So yun. Matagal ako dun. Ang dami naman sanang magagandang mga pang-Christmas ano. Hi guys! Iba yung feeling ko ngayon guys. Gutom na gutom ako. Grabe. Pumunta ako sa labas. I went out, diba? Para lang ano, para mag-shopping. Pero ang nangyari, siya po'y as in, para mag-collapse na. Nagluluto pa ako ng rice. So, gusto kong may sweet sa katawan ko dahil parang nawala na ako ng lakas. So, kakakumain lang ako nito. And then, ito yung 3 Musketeers. Ayan. Yeah, 3 Musketeers. Meron pa akong spicy chicken dito. I-ano natin siya. I-bake. I-ano natin, ilagay natin sa toaster oven. Yan, mainit. Yan. So, kanina, wala akong masyadong nabili doon. Konti lang. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Pagkatapos, konti lang talaga as in. Yun lang yun yung nabili ko. Sobrang konti. Hintay lang ako nung makuluto yung kanin kasi sobrang gutom ko na talaga as in. Binalik ko guys. Oh, maganda kasi guys. I like it guys. Palagi ko naman sinasabi na kapag nagugutom talaga ako is yung lakas ko is humihina and then pinapaningot ako ng maraming singot. Sumisingot. Pinagpawisan ako ng marami ganyan. Maganda talaga ito guys. Mura lang ito from ano. Meron silang ibang color guys nito pero I like this color. It's you know white and black and white. Yan. Okay guys, kararating ko lang guys. Kumakain ako ng yung leftover ko na KFC spicy chicken. Yun. May nakita akong ano, kay Tami ito. Ang ganda ng material. Ang ganda talaga ng material guys ito. As in parang mga oversized na sila na hindi na ano. Ang original price nito guys is 50 something. It's a polo. 50 something original pero 5 na lang. Meron kayong naririnig dito kasi may mga kausap ako. Ito siya para pang ano ba. Ganito guys, oh. Mga ganun guys ba, oh. Yan. Oh, diba? At saka meron din atong color. Ang presyo nito is 4 something. 4. Dalawa yung kinuha ko to. Yun lang. And then, sa mga sa Christmas, ito yung nabili ko kasi dito yung Christmas, diba? So, bumili ako ng napkins. Tatlo siya. $1 lang something to. Yeah, $1. Ito siya. 80 cents lang siya, guys. Ito, sobrang ganda. Diba? And yung isa, para kay Tami kasi gusto ni Tami ng black. So, gamitin ko to para siya kanya. So, yan. Black siya. And ito din, bumili ako nito. Ang ganda nito, diba? Diba? Ganda. Hi guys, I'm going to do unboxing. Well, this is an early gift from Tami. And Tami's on the phone right now. He wants me to open the box. I'm going to open it. This is gonna be early Christmas, guys, because this is too big to wrap. You wanna watch? You wanna watch it with me? Yeah.
Oh, she's on like you're struggling.
Huh?
Like you're struggling with that.
It's heavy. Hold on, I'm gonna get knife. Lighters. And Roxy's watching, guys. So let's open this up. And let's see. Actually, anyway guys, Tami ordered this online. Right, B-boy?
Yeah, be careful. Watch you cut the material.
Amazon, guys. Hala. Here you go. Can you see?
I can see. I saw somebody peeking over the box.
The material is
Who's on the outside of
separate.
the box peeking?
House is here.
I saw his head peek.
Yeah, look at it.
He's nosy.
Okay, so, oh guys, this is the color that Tommy picked, guys. Is this washable?
Yes.
Okay, it's washable, so which is good. Hello, why is it too tight, huh?
Because it's vacuums.
I can't see it like.
That's fine.
It says, hold on, let me take this off from the box. Move it, push it, shake it, beat it. That's what it says. And to unfold full volume, allow 5 to 7 days to fully expand into final shape. It's really hard to, it's really hard.
Yeah, the longer you wait, the harder it's going to get.
Hello, hon.
I do it quick before it starts expanding up.
Hon!
If you take it too long, it's expanding on you.
Look. Hello. Oh, it's really fluffy now, baby. Hello. Shake it, move it. Shake it. It's just shake it, right? So now, guys, the thing is, I need to put that back. I'm going to put that upstairs because that's belong to my filming room. I have to take this gate out. Watch me doing this, okay? Let's carry this together. I'm not gonna bring you, but I will put you right here. Nag-i-expand siya slowly, guys. Pero when I was pulling it up, you see it up there? When I was bringing it up here, grabe talaga yung strength ko. Sa isip ko, lalaki ba talaga ako o babae? Ano ba talaga ako? Lalaki o babae? Ito siya, guys. Ang laki. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo, guys. Oh, hindi nagkasya, di ba? Oh, ang liit-liit ng ano, ang laki-laki nito. Ang bigat-bigat pa. It's kind of pushing me in this side here. It's like pushing me because it's expanding. Look, it's getting bigger and bigger. And in the camera, it doesn't tell you it's big. But it's big, guys. It's big. So you need Roxy. There you go. Hala, dito ka pala. Nagulat ako sa'yo. Nagugulat ako. Hala, she's so happy. You're not allowed in Mama's beanbag. You're not allowed in Mama's beanbag. You are not. Yes, you are not allowed. Yeah. You are not allowed in Mama's beanbag. You are not allowed here. Cleaning time, guys. Cleaning time. malapit kong matapon yung binili ni Tami na lighter. Hindi ko nakikita na sa box pa. So, malapit matapon. Pag-ibig. This is a nice lighter. Tignan nyo na ang lighter na to. Yan, tignan nyo yan. Itong lighter na yan. I'm gonna tell Tommy I almost threw his lighter out. Kalukang Tommy, USB lighter. How can I explain the sorrow and the pain? I believe that you and I should be together once again. Every night I find that you can walk somewhere. Hi guys, good evening. I'm going to end this vlog. I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm just going to bed. I'm going to lie down because last night I went to sleep very late. So yun, late akong nakatulog kagabi. Tulog na ako guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys. Good night.